Shenzhen Harrison Industry Company Limited is one of the professional car and motorcycle camera manufacturer in Shenzhen, China. We have professional engineer support, high-efficiency sales team, and competitive price superiority, and attract customers from all over the world. We export to over 40 countries, including Europe, Poland, Romania, Turkey, Russia. Zimtop is our brand. We will attract investment worldwide. Welcome to join us as our distributor. With several years of manufacturing experience, our company has obtained CE, RoHS, and FCC approvals. We produce different kinds of car black box, such as Stream Media Rear View Mirror Camera, 4G Remote Control Car Camera, Mini Car Camera, Wi-Fi Hidden Car DVR, for varies of car. We can design and manufacture motorcycle camera for our customer. We are one of the earliest manufacturers of motorcycle recorders, and we have designed several private models for our customer. Our products are widely recognized and trusted by users. We are cooperated with brand seller and Amazon, eBay, AliExpress, Alibaba sellers with superior quality and competitive price for several years. We are a reliable supplier of the car and motorcycle camera supply with 18 months warranty. We are ready to develop the most advanced products to meet the latest market requirements. We are also glad to offer OEM and ODM services to meet various customization needs anytime. We are looking forward to get more cooperation from you.